You are my one thing. You are my one thing. That's sort of belting, okay? It's kind of like right by where I'm about to switch over to my head voice, but I'm not. So
It's just a warm up, but then you can do this over a song. Over the rhythm of your song. Let's try this out.
Like you're speaking to someone far away, like you're, hey, Brian, wait up for me. Like he's out there and you're like telling him, hey, Brian.
Hey, Brian.
Hey, how's it going?
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 So I'm doing.
I don't need anything else. You are the one thing. You are the one thing.
Awesome.